Hey there everybody, it's Linnea here for Trinity Stamps, and we're going to take a close-up look at the new Ta-Da stamp set and die set. The Ta-Da stamp set is a 4x6 stamp set, and there are 15 stamps in this stamp set. The long row of hands is just about 5.5 inches long, and what's really fun about the coordinating die set is that there's one die that's going to cut out all 5 pairs of hands, but it's going to cut them out all individually. So you stamp once and you cut once, but you'll have 5 sets of hands. In addition, the coordinating die set is also going to cut out your sentiments. So the round of applause, it'll cut that out. It'll also cut out the after God created you, he said ta-da, and it's going to cut those out individually. So you can cut out each of those lines separately and add them onto your cards or to your projects individually or all together. So on some of these examples here, you can see how all of these hands cut out individually, again, using just that one die. And then you can stamp your sentiments, and you can also cut out your sentiments, which I think is a really, really creative die set. Thank you so much for joining me for this close-up video of the Ta-Da stamps and die set. You can check out the video description below for more details on the Ta-Da stamp and coordinating die sets, as well as to find a link for easy shopping for this stamp and die set. Thanks for watching. Bye.